The Kishanganga Hydroelectric Plant is part of a run-of-the-river hydroelectric scheme that is designed to divert water from the Kishanganga River to a power plant in the Jhelum River basin. It is located 5 kilometers north of Bandipore in Jammu and Kashmir, India, and will have an installed capacity of 330 MW. Construction on the project began in 2007 and is expected to be complete in 2016. Construction on the dam was halted though by the Hague's Permanent Court of Arbitration in October 2011 due to Pakistan's protest of its effect on the flow of the Kishanganga River. In February 2013, The Hague ruled that India could divert a minimum amount of water for power generation. Downstream impact. Pakistan is worried that the project will have adverse impacts on the flow of the river, which flows into their country and meets with the Jhelum River. Pakistan is constructing the Jhelum hydropower plant downstream of the Kishanganga. The Kishanganga Hydroelectric Plant operates in a similar sense as the Jhelum hydropower plant, using a dam to divert the Kishanganga River to a power station before it is discharged into Woola Lake, which is fed by the Jhelum River. The Kishanganga project will divert a portion of the Jhelum River from Pakistan, which will reduce power generation at the Jhelum hydropower plant. India states the project will divert 10% of the river's flow, while other estimates stand as high as 33%. Nevertheless, water flow below the Jhelum Dam, in Pakistan's Jhelum Valley, is expected to be minimal as both projects are diverting water to the Jhelum River. This has the potential to have adverse impacts in the Jhelum Valley. In 2010, Pakistan appealed to the Hague's Permanent Court of Arbitration, complaining that the Kishanganga Hydroelectric Plant violates the Indus River Treaty by increasing the catchment of the Jhelum River and depriving Pakistan of its water rights. In June 2011, the COA visited both the Kishanganga and Jhelum projects. In August 2011, they ordered India to submit more technical data on the project. India has previously reduced the height of the dam from 98 m to 37 m. After Pakistan's application was first rejected, the court asked India late September to stop constructing any permanent works that would inhibit restoration of the river. While India cannot construct the dam, they can continue on the tunnel and power plant in hopes that the court will allow the project. In February 2013, The Hague ruled that India could divert a minimum of water for their project. In this partial award, the court upheld India's main contention that it has the right to divert waters of western rivers, in a non-consumptive manner, for optimal generation of power. The International Court of Arbitration gave its final award on December 20, 2013, wherein it allowed India to go ahead with the construction of the Kishanganga Dam in Jammu and Kashmir, over which Pakistan had raised objections. The court delivered its final award after India requested clarification of an order issued by it in February. The final award specifies that 9 m³ per second of natural flow of water must be maintained in Kishanganga River at all times to maintain the environment downstream. The court said alternative techniques will have to be used for Kishanganga Hydroelectric Project and all future run-of-the-river projects undertaken on western rivers of the Indus system. The western rivers are allocated to Pakistan under the Indus Waters Treaty of 1960. Design. The project includes a 37 m tall concrete face rock-fill dam which will divert a portion of the Kishanganga River south through a 24 km tunnel. The tunnel is received by a surge chamber before sending water to the underground powerhouse, which contains 3x 110 MW Pelton turbine generators. After the power plant, water is discharged through a tail race channel into Woola Lake. The drop in elevation from the dam to the power station will afford a hydraulic head of 697 m. This problem is taken up by BHEL. References